A very happy day to you all, my friends. It is a new lesson. The topic is basic phrases and sentences in Indian Sign Language. So, we will learn how to converse and communicate. Slowly, we will be able to understand how to sign. We had already learned a part of this lesson in 114. We had also learned the importance of facial expressions in relaying clarity and meaning in our conversation. So now we will learn to sign some more sentences and understand. Sometimes when you are communicating, you don't know a particular sign. So you would like to ask, what is the sign for this word? You know the finger spelling, but you don't know the sign. For example, when you see a person who is deaf, you ask him or her, H-O-U-S-E. How do you sign house? Or another example could be when you can show the object and ask how you can sign that. L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. Sign how is how you ask. So that's a question. When you're asking a question, the facial expression is very important. So you could use any examples to ask a question. Second sentence is, are you okay? Are you feeling good? Is your health good? We had finished this in a previous lesson also. Sentence 3 is, how are you feeling today? The appropriate facial expression is very important. The fourth sentence is, how is your day? Are you doing good today? How have you been today? Sentence 5. I'm not sure. Sure not. I don't know. I know not. We'll see. Let me see. I'll see. I am sorry. S, just S, and these signs are good enough for sorry. I am learning sign language. I learn sign language. Please, could you fingerspell that word again? Please, again. I missed the fingerspelling. Please, again. Again. Friends, thank you all so much. Hope you keep practicing and revising. We are supporting by teaching you all and hope you benefit from this. We will see you soon. Please check the description box below to watch the previous lesson again. Thank you. Bye-bye.